Nairobi Women's no rio wikaine ta Erick maigu eguthii nambere na kuhoria ucuru wa kahinda kandu kuingi 21 maya mokite thutha wa igoti gukorwo rikirekereria itua riri riria uthuthuria baranginya uragithie nambere na gutafanio Mwikuirwo uyu no ria kurerikana ati ari na ukuru wa miaka 16 ekuhingaririo guthecanga Erick maigu tuhio mbere ya kumuraga kuona ati mbica cia CCTV ni ironania akiuma gwake mucii na gucoka kurugia kana gukuko kana we gukorwo akiruga nginyanagia mucii uria mariganitie mbere yake gwithara. Maabitha borithi maugite ati thiku ici ni kumateithiriria gutigirira ati ni makorwo magitabania uthuthuria na njira iria yagirire.
This matter in the next 2 weeks confirm their progress, and if indeed by then they could not have completed, the court has powers to extend or enlarge the date. In view of the charge facing the accused person, we are equally of the opinion that investigation should be thoroughly done.
Was she before court prepared what happened in court 3 to her situation? Because it's the first time she's been arraigned in court. Yeah, so you can't use the same argument, counsel. Mr. Muramati, you wish to say something?
You're safe to say that the victims, the family of the deceased have a huge interest in this matter.
This is a caution, is a very serious one. There is need to have investigations conducted properly, and for this reason I will allow the application by the investigating officer to hold the suspect for 21 days and she will be taken to hospital for treatment. We mentioned this matter before this court on the 18th of October.
Thank you.
And good day.
Haya, riu tugithii na mbere na makiria riboti-ini igie urimi wa kahua na ni ati